Yes, the activity taking place is the installation of a new compressor in the outdoor unit of the air conditioning system. As you can see, there are very many equipments, machines and tools you are seeing. All this is to ensure proper installation. One, the vacuum pump. It is that one that looks like the motor. It is to remove the impurities from the system. You know, after brazing or after installation of the compressor, there is air molecules which is trapped into the system. Therefore, use the vacuum pump to remove the impurities. You have the gauge. The gauge helps to ensure the pressure in the system. The pressure is the refrigerant. That is to protect local quality gas. We also have that box, that plastic box contains that box is a fridging tool. It contains the flaring tool. It contains the cutter and other things. We also use it to improve or to enlarge the diameter of the copper pipe so that it can fit where we need. We have the mop gas. The mop gas is that yellow cylinder. It contains the air which burns to produce that flame. Those are basically the rare tools that you are seeing in the diagram or in the video.